Alright, hi everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna change my speaker out. And first you're like, how the hell does it come off, right? You don't have to take the whole panel off. And no, this is a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model. And for that, you can get a flathead or a body tool instrument. I got a flathead. And just want to be careful. And you can tuck it under there, and you're gonna pull it up like that. And then you can go around. Mine's, see, they're held on by these little clips here. These little slots right there. And the speaker's right there. For that, looks like I need a Torx head. Torx head is also called a starter bit if you're just getting into things. But yeah. Now what you want to do is get your Torx bit out. Let's see, is it in here or in the other one? And it's in the other one, nice. So I don't need that. For my convenience, I will be using Hyper Tough, a 44-piece precision hand kit from Walmart. It's about $6. Comes with all sorts of different pieces. Oh, one size up. This looks like it. And this is the speakers. The speakers themselves are a T20 bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my extension in my little screwdriver here. I can load down there for right now. Put in there, it's a T20 bit, Torx 20. Now we'll proceed to loosen these screws up. Surprisingly, these are loose. So it does beat the hard. Up that one. And you want to keep the screws somewhere handy. Luckily, there's this tray here for crap when you're on the go. And I'm working on the passenger side, by the way. But it's holding my 4 Torx 20 screws. And then it should do that. Looks like it was glued at one time. Yours might be a little harder to do. Interesting. Anyways, here. It's held in by this clip, and I'm just going to take it out for right now. But it's held in by this. There's 2 leads to it. Some on the Infinity models has an amplifier behind the speaker, and it has like 6 different wires, I do believe, because it's just a simple snip and clip kind of deal that I will get to in a second. The reason why I'm doing that is because I can match that up with this. Its replacement. Better. Also, this is plastic, and I don't really like it. About the same. Now, what will it says made in Mexico. It doesn't give me the ohm rating. But why I have it down like that is because on the wires here, you have to put them a specific way. And if you don't, you end up throwing your van off balance or your car off balance. And let's see, can I get more wire? No, it gives something to there, I guess. A little bit. Let's cut them like right there then. Alright. This is a very thin wire, by the way. I'm guessing it's positive and negative wire. Let me ask. Yeah, there's always power going through your speakers. Now, what I got here is my crimp cutting and shaving tool. Basically, all-in-one shaving kit. You get it by $70 Shave Club. No, I'm just kidding. It's a wiring tool. It has nothing to do with shaving. Let's remove this. As of now, little buddy, you are junk. And the power is off to the van, to the key system that is needed for the radio. So therefore, there's no power going through these lines right now. And even if there was, it's a small amount of power unless you're getting into larger systems. And this way also I could see what's supposed to be there. Now, I know for a fact that I have to install the larger one on that side. And so the pink would be white. So, let's put that one. Or in this case, it'd be pure solid gray. And this is a stripping tool at the top. And yeah, you do this. There's the solid gray on the speaker. And we grab. I'm gonna try to tighten this up because I can only do 15-minute videos. There's that. I hate it when the tool hardly works. So positive is solid gray now. Take that, stick it in the button connector. Unfortunately, I've used this tool so much that I can hardly view things. And we're going to crimp that sucker down. Same thing for this side. Remember, we gotta remember which one's which here. And we see the color coding on the wire is orange and gray on the van stock wire. It's gray now on the speaker. So we're going to do that. We're going to put that down. Hopefully it doesn't pop out, because sometimes they do. That's it. With that butt end connector crimped down like so, this thing ain't falling out. Now after that, see, I got the weathered butt end connector where it has extra rubber on it, has shrink wrap on it, which help out. You want to take your lighter or torch and shrink this down a bit. Now, if I wanted to, I could put shrink wrap on it, but I don't have it on it handy. But since this is going inside the body, I don't think it's going to rust out anytime soon. But it's a minivan, so I don't know. Yeah, don't do this. I touch donuts at 400 degrees all night on my regular job, and it burns. But you get used to heat and your never endings burn off, so yeah, don't do this. And we'll repeat the process with the other side now. I only have a few minutes to do this. You know what, I was hoping to do this in one video, but looks like I will not be able to. I'm approaching my time limit. So, alright. Well, I'll see you in the next video when I get this thing installed.